I'm going to be showing you how I turned this straight unit into a wavy unit using crimps. First, I start out by sectioning out the hair and tying the rest up so that it's out of the way. I prep the hair for the crimps by combing it out and then spraying it with Got2b freeze spray. And I also added heat protectant spray, that's the green bottle you see in the background. As you start to crimp the hair, try to keep the hair scrunched up with each wave so that you're not pulling at it, so that the waves hold up better. Here I'm adding water to the top of the closure area so that I can lift up what I previously molded down so that I can restyle it. In case you haven't seen my first video, this is my first closure wig that I made, or wig that I ever made, so I am still making adjustments to it, as you can see me cutting the lace. I'm going in with my hot comb to help lay the hair as flat as can be so that when I put it on, it lays flat at the top.